In this video, we'll cover how to create and manage your lead activities. Recording your lead activities in Buildertrend will help you refine your pre-sale process, as well as see every piece of correspondence you have with your leads. This information will help you see what works and what is less effective when managing your leads. To begin, select a lead and then navigate to your Activities tab. To record correspondence that has already occurred, select Log Completed Activity. Within Lead Activity Details, you can record the date and time the activity occurred, the activity type, who initiated the activity, who is the user managing this activity, record any additional attendees on the activity, record the location of the activity if applicable, and note any additional information in the description field. Select Save to then log the completed activity. To schedule a future activity, select the Schedule New Activity option. At this point, you have the same fields available to you to record the appropriate information. You can set up reminders for your activities, and this will help your team keep track of all of their appointments. Every user and attendee on the activity will receive the reminder notification. Select Save to schedule the new activity. When an activity is finished, you can check the Complete checkbox. Another great way to manage activities is to set up emails as lead activities. When creating an activity, you have the option to attach an email at the top. The emails that you send in the platform can be sent in two ways. Compose Online allows you to create and send emails directly through Buildertrend. Selecting Outlook or Other opens your computer's default email tool. Using this method, the email is sent from your email to Buildertrend, which will automatically forward the email to your lead opportunity at the designated date and time. When planning to send an email at a time in the future, this will help you plan when your emails are sent in order to have better engagement. People tend to access their emails around the noon hour, as well as respond to emails sent during the weekend. Once the activity is saved, the email is queued in the system and will be sent at the designated time you have selected for the activity. To email multiple leads at once, you can do this in the list view. Select the checkboxes to the left of each lead you would like to email, and then navigate to your Checked Actions dropdown to select Email Lead Opportunities. This will allow you to set up when you would like the email to be sent, as well as have your Compose Online or Outlook or Other options, and what the type of activity is. Select Continue to create the email that you would like to send. Select Send Now or Later to send the message at the designated date and time. Remember that you can set up your email signature, as well as add a photo to your signature within your Preferences tab. This will add additional information to the emails you're sending through Buildertrend. Emails composed using the Outlook or Other option will already have your signature that is set up with your preferred email platform. While on the topic of emails, some additional tools you can utilize are Buildertrend's Mail Merge and Click Tracking tool. Crafting emails using Buildertrend's Mail Merge feature works great for newsletters and marketing campaign emails when creating activity templates. While this is an extremely powerful feature to have in templated emails, you are able to utilize this feature for non-templated emails as well. We'll talk about creating activity templates a little later on in the video. The Mail Merge feature can be found when attaching an email on a lead activity, and will be available when emailing a single lead or multiple leads. This feature will give you the ability to have that personal touch. When emailing a lead, the tooltip can be found in the top right. From the tooltip, you can easily copy the Mail Merge coding into the body of the email. This coding will read the contact data you've entered, so that when the lead receives the email, it will use their name wherever you have this coded. This provides a personal touch to the email instead of your prospect reading a generic Dear Customer email. To move on to Click Tracking is very easy to utilize as well. Determining if leads are hot or cold will help your sales team maximize their efforts. An engaged prospect that is responding to your outreach is much more likely to result in a sale than a non-engaged prospect. Using Click Tracking allows you to see not only what links the lead has clicked, but also how many times and when the links were clicked. This information will help you see how prospects are responding to your marketing, allowing you to easily measure engagement. From the toolbar, you're able to expand to reveal additional features. Select the Link feature. You can copy-paste a URL into the URL field, as well as quickly create display text. When the email is received by the lead, if they click the link, they'll be taken to the URL that you have programmed. This action will be logged for your records as a clicked link. This information can be found within the Lead Activity Details page at the bottom. This information can be added to your grid as well. You can enable columns related to click tracking from your grid settings gear icon above your grid. And from here you can add the number of links clicked, as well as the most recent click option, allowing you to see your lead engagement on a bigger scale. To talk about how you can further streamline your pre-sale process, let's talk about activity templates. Having a standardized sales process readily available for you and your team gives your sales team the ability to import that process directly into a lead opportunity as they begin managing the lead. In order to create a lead activity template, navigate to the Activity Templates tab. From here, fill in the details of the lead activity. Select Schedule New Activity to add activities to the template. From here, you can create an unlimited amount of activities. The dates of each activity do not matter, as you will select a start date when importing the template into a lead. What does matter is the time between each activity. Select Save once the template is completed. You can copy existing activities into templates as well. If you already have a set of activities with a lead that you're interested in saving to a template, from Template Actions, select Copy to Activity Template. Now you can create the template by using information you already have entered into Buildertrend. This is great to use when you find a process that you like. Selecting the Import Activity option will allow you to select the template that you would like to use for this lead. At this point, you can select the date and time you would like your first activity to begin, as well as the salesperson that will be managing these activities. Once imported, the activities following the first activity will adjust accordingly, following the arrangement and structure of the activities within the template. You can import activity templates into multiple leads using checked actions as well. To wrap up lead activities, activities can be viewed using the Activity View and Activity Calendar. This will display the lead activities in one place, allowing you to easily manage your activities. Please keep in mind you have the same functionality on Buildertrend's mobile application. Simply navigate to your leads. By tapping into a lead, you can navigate to your Activities tab at the bottom. Once the Activities tab has been selected, you can add a new activity from the plus icon in the top right. A quick side note, when you do swipe left on a lead, you can quickly add an activity, as well as call the lead. If you decide to call the lead, the Add Activity screen is already loaded in the background. This means that right after the call ends, you can immediately log the call and document what was discussed. This concludes the video, and if you have any questions or require additional support, feel free to browse our Help Center or contact us, as we're always happy to help.